Let's go through some best practices of setting up a workbench. This is typically the setup we recommend for all the connected tools and the overall organization of our stations. First, we have a barcode scanner here. We want to make sure these benches are at 90 degrees to your elbows for ideal ergonomics. What really works well is when we have a standing desk that the height can be controlled. This brand is specifically an Uplift Desk, but as I'm adjusting to my height, it's a better height for me personally. As a taller individual, we want to make sure our part spins are no higher than shoulder height. It's ideal for ergonomics here. We'd never want to be reaching up higher here. We also want to have a line of sight to each of these part bins. We can have labels up front, which are very helpful. Those numbers get revision controlled frequently, so that content is less important than the true visual aspect and the ergonomics coming in. Any badge reading or logging into the station we want to do is controlled via the operator badge here. We want to make sure that's clear and present at all times so we can badge into our stations and log in as a builder when I need to. Again, the screen here, we want to have no higher than eye line here, just to make sure we have the full view of content. We're not constantly looking up or down to view that content. The further back we get here, any torque tools or any controllers are going to be on the station in the back. The less of that content is less important. Of the torque balancer here, even better if there's a line balancer here that I can take the weight off of this tool so it's not just hanging loosely or sitting on the bench like this. We can have a true retracting cable to balance this tool as needed. So this is a pretty simple setup, but it's very easy to augment with additional tools and devices as you continue to grow your processes.